Hello kids, welcome to today's maths class and today we'll do money. Let's revisit. Look at the price of these old articles. Ball 40 rupees, bus 60 rupees, here it 80 rupees, 100 rupees, 120 and 150. Suppose you sell these articles at the flat price of 100 each in the bargain sale. What your profit or loss on each article? So here first we'll write the name of article. Suppose it's ball. Cost price is 40 rupees and selling price is 100 rupees. That means you are having profit. 100 minus 40, that is 60 rupees. Profit of 60 rupees. Clear? Here we are having profit. So like this you can find out profit and loss. Next is profit and loss. We know that the merchant or a businessman deals in his business to earn money. For this, he buys article at the lower price called the cost price from the manufacturer, wholesaler or the producer, or the sells them at a higher price called selling price to the consumers. In this way, they earn some extra money, which is the difference of the selling price and the cost price. The extra money is called the profit, but sometimes due to any reason the businessman is forced to sell the article at the price lower than the cost price. In this case, he has to bear the loss. Definitions. What is cost price? The price at which the shopkeeper purchases certain article is called the cost price. In short, cost price is represented as CP. CP means cost price. Selling price, जिस प्राइस पे बेचता है. The price at which the shopkeeper sells certain articles is called the selling price. It is represented by SP. Profit, when the selling price is more than the cost price, means जिस प्राइस पे sell कर रहा है that is more than the price at which he bought that article. That means SP should be greater than CP, the certain good the shopkeeper make a profit or gain. Profit equals to हो जाएगा SP minus CP. SP equals to होता है CP plus profit, means cost price plus profit, and cost price equals to हो जाएगा when profit is given SP minus profit. Clear? Next is loss. When the selling price is less than the cost price, that means SP is less than CP on certain goods, shopkeeper make loss. So loss equals to CP minus SP, because CP is greater than SP in loss. CP equals to जाएगा SP plus loss and SP equals to CP minus loss. Remember, when the SP on certain good is equal to CP, that is SP equals to CP, means दोनों same है. There is neither profit nor loss. Now we'll take an example. A shopkeeper bought a television for rupees 6,450 and sold it for rupees 7,120. Did he make a profit or loss, and how much did he lose or gain? So this is the CP. Cost price, that is 6,450. Selling price 7,120. Selling price is more than cost price, that means he is having profit. Profit, how much profit? SP minus CP. So he is having profit of rupees 670. Clear? So this way we can find the profit. Next is rules to find cost price and selling price. If you know the profit or the loss and the cost price, you can find the selling price. If you know the profit or loss of the selling price, you can find the cost price. Let us learn how we find that. When there is a loss, to find the selling price equals to हो जाएगा CP minus loss. To find the cost price equals to हो जाएगा SP plus loss. Now we'll take an example. Sakshi sold a computer for 675 less than what she paid for it. Means जितना पे किया है उससे 675 less में उसने sell किया. If the selling price of the computer is rupees 15,000, find the cost price. So selling price equals to हो जाएगा 15,000 loss is 675, cost price equals to हो जाएगा SP plus loss. 15,000 plus 675, that is rupees 15,675. Clear? Next, when there is a profit, to find the selling price, SP equals to CP plus profit. To find the cost price, CP equals to SP minus profit. Now I'll take an example. Find the SP if CP equals to rupees 500 and profit rupees 20. So CP given है 500, profit rupees 20, SP equals to हो जाएगा 520, that is rupees 520. Clear? Next is practice corner 13.1. Find the profit or loss. CP rupees 5,000, SP rupees 6,000. Here SP is more than CP, that means profit is there. How much? 6,000 minus 5,000, that is 1,000 rupees profit. Clear? So practice all the questions with this exercise. Next is group activity in collaboration. Take a look at the sum of the airfare, the rate of both going and coming back, return fare. This is the destination, this is the fare. Here the destination is given and this fare is given. Solve the following. A family of 6 members decide to go to Paris. They were given a concession of rupees 1,050 per ticket. How much money did they spend? So Paris, the fare is 6,999 for each person and concession is given 1,050 per ticket, means it is costing rupees 5,949 and so there are 6 members, that is multiplied by 6. 5 carry over. So it costs total 35,694 rupees for 6 family members. Clear? So this way you will solve the other question. Next is simple interest. You see, when you sow your money in the bank, when you put your money in the bank, they use it to give to loans and other people. They use this money to give loans to other people. They pay you for allowing them to use your money. This is called interest. Means आप उनका money use कर रहे हैं, so you have to give some extra amount for that. That is called interest. A person who borrow money from the bank has to pay interest to the bank. Simple interest fact. First is principal. Principal is what? The sum of money deposited or borrowed for the bank. Means जो amount आप बैंक से borrow कर रहे हो, deposit करते हो, that is called principal. Interest, the extra money give to you at the end of the period of time for using your money. Clear? Means if you are using that money, उसके लिए जो आप extra money pay कर रहे हो, that is the interest. Next is amount. At the end of given period of time, when you get back your money you have deposited, or when you pay back the loan, the sum total of the principal plus interest, that is called amount. Principal plus interest, that is amount. Next is rate. The fixed percentage as the interest on your principal which the bank pays per annum, means per year, that is called the rate of interest. Next is time. The period for which the money is deposited in the bank for which the loan has to be borrowed, means जितने time के लिए आप loan ले रहे हैं या अपनी money को बैंक में रख रहे हैं, that time is known as time. Simple interest is paid on the principal. Simple interest formula क्या हो जाएगा? Principal into rate of interest into time upon 100. Simple interest P into R into T upon 100. Now I'll take an example. If I put rupees 1,000 in the bank for 1 year, the bank pay me 5% interest on this. How much money will I have in the bank after 1 year? So here the principal is 1,000, rate of interest that is 5% and time period is 1 year. So formula of amount that is principal plus interest. So principal that is 1000 and interest 5% of 1000. So 1000 plus 50 that is 1050 rupees. Clear? Next is amount. Amount is the total money received at the end of the time period. Amount equals to principal plus interest. Interest equals to हो जाएगा amount minus principal. Find the simple interest on rupees 1200 for 4 1/2 years, 8% per annum. Also find the amount. So here the principal is rupees 1200. Time period that is 4 1/2 years means 9/2 years and rate of interest 8%. As we know the formula of simple interest P into R into T upon 100. So we'll put the value and we'll get 430 rupees. That is simple interest. We have to find the amount. That means we add this interest to the principal. So 1200 plus 433 that is rupees 1632. That is the amount. Next is practice corner 13.2. Find the simple interest on rupees 6225 for 4 years at 3%. So simple interest का formula P into R into T upon 100. P 6225 R 3 time 4 years upon 100. So simply what we'll do 6225 को 12 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. एंड 100 तो हम यहाँ पे ये आ गया 100 से डिवाइड करेंगे सो विल गेट 747 रुपीज. That is our simple interest. So you have to practice all the questions here. Next is multiple choice question. Formula of simple interest is P into R into T upon 100. So C is the correct option. P into R into T upon 100. So here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you have to practice it.